how to delete all app history on iPhone. So if you want to delete or clear your app history on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your app store. From your app store, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then you need to go with your apps option, which is right here. Once you tap on apps, now here you need to go and select the app that you would like to delete the history of. So you need to just simply swipe left and the history will be deleted. Tap on hide, just tap to hide the app that you've installed. If you already deleted the app and if you want to find it, then just tap on not on this phone, which will be in the top right, just swipe left and then go with hide. After that, you can just simply go back and then tap on purchase history, and also try to clear out the data from this as well if you have purchased any apps, and with this you'll be able to clear all of your app data from your iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.